Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will guide you on how to download Onstream on PC/Android/iOS. Just follow the steps below. For PC, open your browser and download an Android emulator like BlueStacks. Install and open the emulator. Search and download the Onstream APK inside the emulator. Install it and launch Onstream on your PC. For Android, unlock your phone and open browser. Search for Onstream APK. Download the APK and tap Install. Open the app from your home screen. For iOS, iPhone/iPad. Open Safari on your iPhone/iPad. Search for Onstream iOS download. Tap Install and allow the profile. Go to Settings, then General, then go to VPN and Device Management and trust the profile. Open Onstream from your home screen. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.